After listening to the speech made by the Prime Minister Andrew Holness and the Prime Minister Mia Mottley, Prime Ministers of Jamaica and Barbados respectively, I must say I see a united call for unity in the Caribbean and Caricom. And this is something I've always wanted, this is something I've always asked for. Why doesn't the Caribbean countries act as one? Why doesn't CARICOM act as what it should really be? The united front of the Caribbean countries. And both prime ministers seem to be calling for this, seem to be moving towards this. And it is no overestimation when I say that I believe that if the Caribbean country, if CARICOM was to stand as a proper united front, they would be a force to be reckoned with. But these are just my thoughts. What are yours? And ensure that you're liking, following, sharing, commenting. I want to create a community of one thinkers. And ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube, which is the same handle as here, which is Key Thoughts 876. I will be having a podcast soon where I do interviews. And if you know anyone that you'd want to hear from, that they are accessible to a small creator such as myself, please do let me know.